How to surface crochet bubble stitch. So to do that, you will insert your hook in the desired space on the granny square surface. You will make a slip knot on the hook and then you will secure the yarn by doing a chain one. So now we will go ahead and create the first bubble. So you yarn over, insert your hook in the designated area, you yarn over and pull up a loop. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. You will yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. You'll have 2 loops on the hook. So you need to repeat these first 3 steps 3 more times within the same stitch. So you have 5 loops on your hook. When you have the 5 loops on your hook, you will yarn over again and pull through all the 5 loops, and that creates your first bubble stitch. And now you will go ahead and do a single crochet to secure the bubble. So now to do the continuous bubble stitch, you will go ahead and yarn over and continue the same process to create the bubble stitch. And you'll continue to do this all through if you want to create a cluster of bubble stitch like I'm doing it here.